Fillet is a great command, especially when you take the end-user experience for physical products into account. Fillet is your command when you want to round the edges, exterior or interior, of a solid body. You find Fillet in the toolbar, in the Modify drop-down menu, or via keyboard shortcut F. You have 3 different fillet types at your disposal. Let's start with fillet. We will then look at rule fillet and finally full round fillet. You can work with one or multiple selection sets when you work with fillet, and you can work with both edges and sides. G1 tangent or G2 curvature will give you different fillet transitions. The explanation for that is not within the scope of this video. Select whether you want a constant or short length radius type. You'll see the short length marked in the small picture assigned to the command. Tangency weight is an easy way to increase or decrease the scale of your fillet. Change corner type from rolling bowl to setback if you want to blend the edges into adjacent faces. You'll see a small demonstration of the feature if you look closely at the picture. You can think of rule fillet as a fillet based on rules instead of selections. For example, set your rule to all edges, select your top face, and your fillet command will be applied to all edges according to the rule. Likewise, set between faces/features as your rule, select face/feature 1 and face/feature 2, and your rule is applied between your selected faces and features. The full round fillet is useful when you want to add a smooth round finish to your design. And that's a basic introduction to the fillet command. See you in the next lesson, and good job!